Hi everybody, Vicki here. I'm going to do a pastel, I guess, blowout. And I'm just going to show you ahead of time the colors that I'm using. The main colors are all the Pebeo high viscosity acrylics. This is violet blue, iridescent green yellow. This is not iridescent, it is neon. Oh, fluorescent pink. And iridescent blue. What is it? It's a problem when you get paint on your tubes. You don't know what color you're dealing with anymore. Well, it's blue something. I'll try to figure it out. But I decided what I wanted to do in my mind. I just was thinking that a beautiful pale yellow base color would be so nice and springy against these other colors. So I used some Valspar. I mixed this up. This is just Valspar enamel and Saks heavy body white that's been thinned with some Josonja varnish and water. And of course this is Liquitex Primary Yellow. So I will, and I'm going to be using leftover canvas or pre-used canvas. You can see I tried my best to do a cloud pour, and I thought I followed the recipe, but frankly I was not very successful. And while I like the colors, I'm just not liking the canvas enough to keep it. And I saw, I can't even remember now who it was, but somebody who actually put like, suddenly I don't know what they're called, but anyway, I decided, excuse me, I decided to put the tongue blades in here to stiffen out the canvas, and that's what they're in there for. That way, hopefully, it won't sink in the middle. So I'll set everything up and get started. Thank you for watching.